St. John's Learning Garden Sprouts 2023. This is an update. This is where our butterfly garden is at right now. Everything is so blooming. Kids are doing a great job watering. We got more milkweed seed pods everywhere. And that's looking great. So this is what the kids did yesterday. We did art in the garden and they made signs to put. Here's our sunflowers. Oop, we got our first one that opened over there. So we have some flowers over here and all of our wonderful art from the kids. They had a lot of fun making that yesterday. Strawberries, still no strawberries up there, but beautiful flowers all the way down. Some more signs. And then I'll take you down here. We have our tomatoes that are going crazy. They're green, but they're getting ready. We're going to have a bunch of those all over here. And then we have peppers over here. The kids picked a lot yesterday. We have corn, some more signs, some peppers, a bunch of peppers right here. And we have a bunch of cucumbers. We're gonna have a cucumber pickling party coming up. So as you can see, they are taking great care of the garden. They picked all of them yesterday, but there were snap peas on here. And we have zucchini, we picked that, and everybody got to take some. We have our herbs and kale over here, dill and chives. We also had them taking home some garlic yesterday that was ready. These are the eggplant with their purple little flowers. Some more strawberries, more chives, some more art. And yeah, this is where it's at right now. Looks great. Kids are doing a great job taking care of it. And we'll